Good morning. Today we will discuss about tutorial number 7, basic shirt black, and this is our episode number 8. We will discuss today is a waistcut black into shirt black. We need a tape measure, pencil scissor, eraser, pencil, ruler, curve, all curve. We trace in the new paper, then let's remove this one. So this new bodice, make a new marking so it's visible in the camera, right? Then this, remember this is our waistline before, from the bodice with this cut in the waist, but now we will make it square to the center front. It's now our new waistline, and then from that point we will go down by 1 inch. Okay, so that 1 inch like that, like this, right? So our waist point is there, this is the dart, and then here from that under the arm line, let's square from the front. So from here we will go down by 3/8. That 3/8 we will go out. So this is now our new under the arm. When we make a new armhole, it's there. And then here, from the original measurement of the shoulder, we will go out by 1/2 inch. Maybe what we can do, so it's not too much confusing, let's make this one 1/2 inch. Anyway, it's shirt, so it doesn't matter if this is a little bit blue. From this one 1/2 inch out to there, we will connect this new armhole. I think I love this shape, so it's not too wide, this cross front. Let's put this one so it's visible in the camera. Okay, let's connect this under the arm point to the shoulder. From here to here, this is 1/2 inch go out. From here to here, 1/2 inch go out. From here, 1/2 inch go down. And then this center waist, we will go out by 1 inch. Connect this side front. And then let's do this one. Okay, we will go down here by 8 inches. So we need to understand, shirt is our measurement before is 9 1/4. We can make a 1/2 inch extra here. So in total, we have 2 inches to make a loose shirt. We can blend. Let's show you the camera. Look. This is our basic shirt block. This is size 8. So from our original measurement of the shoulder, we go out by 1/2 inch. Here under the arm, we go out by 1/2 inch. And from there, we go down by 1/2 inch. This is our new waistline. From the original waistline, we go out by 1 inch. And we just blend it here, like that. Original block, we make this one an extra 1/2 inch. There, can you see the bottom now? Here. Alright, I hope you're following. And this is now our hip. From there, let's bring down this dart by 4 and neck here. We bring this one from this point by 1 inch. So same thing in the back. Let's put the center back line. Let's put this bodice. Let's trace this one. Trace this one. Yep. Let's put the armhole. This is now our new waist. We need to check our new waist here. So our new waistline is this. This is our cross. Let's remove. For new waistline, we will go by 4.5. Let's connect this one. Let's connect this one. Right? Go down same in the front by 8 inches. And let us square this one. Go. Our hip measurement is 8 3/4. We will put also half inch here to give a movement. And then same the front, we will bring this one an inch, right? Connect this. Let's check the front. Let's put first here a guideline. So from here we will go down by half inch, and from there we will go out by half inch. So this is now our new under the arm. Then here we will go out by half inch, right? So half inch is there. We will connect this. There. So this is the center back. If you will make a shirt, this one is fold and the front will become open. But there are some cheeky small things that we need to understand. The front, especially in the shirt, will bring this down by 3/4. Whatever we remove here, we will bring there. Let me cut this first. Let's put this one here. 19. Not too bad. Okay. Let's bring forward this shoulder to the front. And let's bring this back higher. So when we put the collar, it's really sitting in the back neck. Whatever we bring here, I mean, this is half inch, then we will go down half inch. Our new neck now is this. And then here, this is now our new neck. So our new shoulder is this. Now we need to check the armhole. 18 or 18.5. This is okay, because we make it loose, because this is a shirt. 9. 19. I think it's fine. This is your shirt block. And because this is open in the front, we need to put 1 inch out and of the button. So let's connect this there, going here, and this is here. So we need to cut this. We need to check the measurement of the collar. Our collar measurement is 16.5. Yes, it's 16 plus this one. So it's fine. Then let's cut now. That's it. Look, it's beautiful in the mannequin. I hope you learned something today. tomorrow we will try to discuss about the color so we can make a shirt. And then after we make a shirt, we will go to a bustier, then the corset, and do the grading for large and small. Grading is more fun, right? Okay, thank you.